Another early morning in Thornton-le-Dale. A perfect chance to spruce the place up a bit before all the hurly-burly begins.
It's one of them jobs, isn't it, that's got to be done. And to be honest, we probably don't do it as often as we should. But I just knock them off Friday, ready for the weekend, and just make it look like somebody actually owns the place, you know.
HQ will be without Derek today. He's off on collection duties in sunny Lincolnshire, where Barry Pinions owned his 1974 Stag since the 80s. But downsizing has left no room for this ever-popular classic.
I'll be honest, if we had somewhere we're moving to, if we had somewhere to keep it, it probably won't be going.
Oh, well, she's bright, and I like yellow. Inky yellow, I think, and I think it's a great colour as yellow. I like it very much. Now then, Barry.
Hello, Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice colour.
You like it?
I do, I'll always like yellow. Stood for a while, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fire it up then, Barry, let's have a listen.
About 2008.
Oh, God.
Last,
Oh, it is a long while. It's only off one, isn't it?
I'm no mechanic.
Nah, it ain't off two, it's only off one. Engine itself sounds all right. Yes, it's all right.
Derek's on a busy schedule, but when tea appears, the world suddenly becomes a slower place.
Yeah, it's no big deal. Oh, look. Look what your neighbour's got for me, look. How about that? Good. Not that you weren't going to give me one, I'm sure you were.
Oh, right.
Might as well have all them, mightn't I?
You might as well.
Just a job.
I thought perhaps you might.
Thanks ever so much.
There's always time for a chinwag and some sage words of wisdom on the classic car business.
I like meeting guys like you lot. The market actually is very false. Stuff's making more than it should. But unfortunately, as we all know, what goes up tends to come down. And every time when they drop, they come back and bite your bum. You've got to tell someone in 18 months' time that you give £3 too much for the car that he bought. I like to see a nice even playing field, you know. But that's a nice car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely, yeah, yeah. As I say to people, it clean up well.
Looking a bit rough at the moment.
Sorry, Barry, I'm only
Derek?
joking.
A bit rough at the moment.
Looks a bit rough at the moment, but it'll clean up all right.
With the world set to rights, time to get the Stag on board.
Yeah, she's a bonny old motor. All I seem to have done today is pull these lamps out. Better have a few bits of strap on, haven't we? Don't worry, Barry, I've only ever lost two. We spoke on the phone, didn't we, about money? It's a vulgar thing to talk about, I know, but you've got to sometimes. Yeah, £8 grand. No trouble. No, I'm pleased with it.
Have you have a safe trip to school, Nick?
I hope so, mate, yeah. Good to see you.
All the best.
And you, mate, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Sorry about the neighbours.
Thanks for the tea. And you.
With the Stag and Vitesse safely surviving the trip across Lincolnshire, Derek's arrived in Scunthorpe to pick up a 1965 Austin Princess Van den Plas, belonging to Ernie D'Ascenso. His nephew, Mario, is in charge of negotiations, but Ernie has valued his car at £8,000.
Is it your uncle?
Yeah, this is my uncle's car.
Not so well, is he, at the moment?
No, he's not. So he's sadly having to let it go.
Sadly, it won't achieve Ernie's reserve, regretfully. There's not a lot of point putting it through our sale with that reserve, you know.
Give him a call.
Give him a call and see, yeah.
What's that? Ernesto would like to know what reserve.
It won't do above 5. It'd be miles off. Sorry, but...
He's saying it's got to be at least 6.
It won't do it.
No,
but, you know.
It won't do that kind of money, so there's no point. Can't you just put it on auction?
Not if he wants that money. He'd be wasting his time by taking it out for a ride. You know, it's no point in that. Because it won't get anything like it. Yeah.
He said you can take him, I'll have to do that then.
Fine, do that.
Not my car.
No.
If I were to go for classic, it'd be Alfa Romeo, Lancia, these Italian cars. Not so much anything like this. A bit too old, 62 years.
Right, I'll love and leave you. Get on the road and get back to God's own country.
Derek is having a closer look at the 3 vehicles he's picked up from Lincolnshire. The Vanden Plas looks no better now it's in Yorkshire.
Not clever, done a lot of work. The big problem with these Farina's, as everyone knows, there's not that many really nice ones about, and this just proves a point. Pretty used, working vehicles. And it's such a shame because a car of this quality really needs to be in nice condition to do really well.
The Vitesse, though, is much more up Derek's street.
They were bought to fly about, these Vitesses. I mean, they're the XR3 of their day, if you like. Quick car, 2 litre, this one. I rate these cars, I like these motors. This actually's got, in my opinion, got more of the makings of a car than that Vanden Plas. And because the parts are readily available, you can buy sections for this here, not a big deal. Interior's nice, so you got a good start. I think it'll do £2 grand. And then up top, we've got a Stag. Now, the worst time for a seller to show a car is up there, because you can see every little imperfection. When it's down here, look, a different motor altogether. It's a nice thing, manual overdrive, factory wheels, and generally speaking, well presented, very, very smart, nice chrome, very clean, sweet sounding engine. It'll do well, it will sell well, that car. Sensibly reserved, I can see it doing thick end of 10, which isn't ever a dear for a Stag in that condition. But generally, nice car. Right here we have 1974 Triumph Stag, probably the best colour. Lovely condition all round, lots of interest this week. 6.5, we're away, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, £8,000, £8,000, 8.5, a cracking car. 9 I've got, 9,250, 9,005, 9,750. We all know what it's worth. £10,000 and away, looking for 250, got it, 10,250, 10,500. Going, last time looking round 10.5, 10.5, thank you. Think you'll be very pleased with that.
At £1,500 above its guide, the Stag is heading south to Hertfordshire.
In a lovely shade of blue, by the looks of things, there we are.
The other Triumph, the Vitesse,
At £3,000 fair warning, we're there. 3,000, Claire's phone.
sold for £500 above its asking price.
It's the Princess. Where are we going to be with that? Where?
The Vanden Plas was next.
4,750. 4,750.
After the auction, Derek got an improved offer.
Ernest, it's Derek at Mathewson's auctions. No, I've got a bid on it at 5,500 quid. And if I were you, I'd let the damn thing go. Yeah, take it from me, Ernest, honestly. It's a good offer. Get it gone. Absolutely. All right, mate. Thanks, Ernest.
With seller Ernesto happy after a nudge from Derek, the Princess Vanden Plas is off for a complete restoration in Hampshire.